like one McChicken?
बुड्ढी हंटी अब भी नहीं दिया.
I thought you couldn't recognize my voice now. Is it? Our friendship is now over.
सच्ची में नहीं
Is it?
कर पाया.
Is it? Can I give you a huggy? Are you COVID free first?
नहीं.
Yeah. Oh my God. What is this? Bubbly, huh? McDonald's finally.
कैमरा
Annie,
है.
now that your coffee is coming, huh? I've got it.
मैं ना खुद की अलग से कॉफी
Friends
मंगाता
who
हूँ.
give coffees are the best kind of.
I know, right, Annie?
मैंने ही गिफ्ट किया था उसका. चुप बैठे.
I'll give you unlimited supply. He only gave you one.
Exactly.
Exactly.
देख अभी
अरे
You gave a birthday gift. ये तो my birthday
normal
gift.
surprise. It's like
Oh my God, I'm touched.
touch exactly, Annie. Touch.
फ्रेंडशिप में कंपटीशन नहीं होता. you know.
Oh, is it? Karishma, please use your phones. My graduation is done. I'm going to tell people I'm a dropout after 10th only, I feel. Because if someday someone would come to me and tell me, do you know any kind of commerce? What am I supposed to tell them? I always get confused between debit and credit. Do you all think the same? Debit feels like money comes in. Credit goes like money goes. That is how it should be. Tell your professor to change the meaning of debit and credit.
Just because you don't understand, that doesn't mean you will.
Oh, okay. But on a genuine basis, I hated commerce. Just because I didn't know obviously how to tally and I used to feel it's too much to handle. I just copied. So tip to all the future kids, just copy.
Good morning. I mean, why do I even like wish you guys when you don't know what time it is actually? It's 5:30 in the morning. Yeah, I had a terrible sleep and I don't feel like going back to sleep because of some bugs in my house. Yeah, I just cannot sleep. I woke up 3 times in between the night. This is most frustrating thing for me is not getting a proper sleep. It's so, I think it's for everyone. If you don't get a proper sleep, your entire day goes shit. But we'll try to survive. Try to survive, guys. Try to survive. Because that what we are, who we are. I was planning to take my neighbor's cycle and go for cycling because I wanted to cheer up my mood. But it's way too dark at 5:30 outside. Like, yeah, till 6. You have to wait around like 6:30 to get a little bright. I want to buy my own, but I'm scared for the parking. And I do like cycling, but I won't be the person who would take it everywhere. Yeah, I just like to ride it in the early mornings or probably on the weekends because it's terrible with the traffic here. So buying my own bike is in my mind very soon because you all know I never had a kid growing up. I never had a cycle growing up. If you all are wondering why have I switched on my camera, because I wanted to feel good, and that's the one thing I always feel good about, just turning on and just talking. Yeah, I have work now. I'm supposed to make my meals, but it's either sleep now for 2 hours or get up and make your meals. I'm just confused with all of this. I've really learned to make good pav bhaji though. Very nice. I've been watching a lot of videos from Your Food Lab, amazing channel on YouTube. If you guys love, even if you guys don't love cooking, you'll watch his videos. They're hardly 3 to 4 minutes, and the best part about his channel is they're all so well shot. It's all cinematic. All the videos are cinematic, and even if you don't like cooking, you'll start cooking up. I mean, cooking really needs patience. Like 4-5 minutes near the gas station itself feels forever when you have to store something for like 4 to 5 minutes. Like, oh my god. But yeah, most annoying part is the breakfast, I feel. Deciding breakfast, not a cereal person though. Growing up, I used to love chocos. Now I don't even like eating it. I just thought I got over it. But cereals are not filling. Am I talking too much? No, I think I'm just letting all my feelings out. So every morning I wake up and then I have to decide the breakfast. Need more breakfast recipes though. Yeah. One more thing, I need to learn how to make chapati. I always doubt myself whether I'll be able to even make an exact round chapati. I know it's not important, but yeah, I feel like I would learn. But I even don't want to invest time in learning the chapati. It's too much mess when I make it. I add so much powder, I was going to say, so much flour to it that I'm never able to get. But I will learn the chapati. Until then, we'll deal with breads. They're so easy to make. Now I feel better. But what am I supposed to do now? You all need to guess. Like, you all cannot skip to the next footage and be like, let's see what that does. Think what she will do. That's the fun, because like it's not live. Who will be even watching you live at 5:30? Oh, now my back pains. Bye guys, need to survive. I'll meet you guys later and update you what I'm doing.
Definitely I slept and woke up late for the office. And now I'm so tired, my shoulders are paining. Not that tired that I cannot talk on the camera. Okay, bye, take care. Need to have bath, need to eat dinner. This is so rare for us to take an Uber because we travel everywhere by the two-wheeler which we have. Rhythm is always late as usual, but he won't put this in the vlog because he'll say I'm never late, I'm always on time. I still can't see him. Where is he? The lighting is so good, so good. Should take a car, right, so that I can vlog. Oh my god guys, just wait for the day when I have a car. Every day I'll upload a vlog. I'll keep the camera, but I don't think I'll be able to drive the car. Is the game so late? Forever late. Are you excited for the Black Friday H&M sale? Excuse me, the camera is here.
Sorry. What?
Yeah, you excited?
Yeah, very. Every single penny for it.
I'm gonna ask my dad for the credit card to swipe.
And then give it to him 2 months later.
Or I do give him to him. You know that. There's a difference between us with him. I repay my dad.
Why do you have to take shit on me for?
I'm not shitting.
You just said there's a difference between you and
Oh
me.
my god, reversal. I never.
You just said it, you have a difference
I
between you
never.
and
Oh,
me.
gee. Oh,
You just said it, you have a
I
difference
said
between you
there's a
and me.
difference between me and myself.
No, you said you and me. I could literally.
Rhythm,
Oh
calm
my
down.
god, I'm
Rhythm,
gonna
calm-
get this big shit on remote.
Rhythm, calm down. There's a difference between us, Rhythm.
There's a difference between us and them.
Tullu, how are you, Tullu? Tullu, how are you? Rhythm, give a huggy to Tullu. No, I don't want. Affection. Love and affection, Tullu. I don't want your love and affection. You pass that space. Daru. What is Daru? What is Daru? Oh my god, my hair looks so nice today, Tullu. Right? Tullu, who's the prettiest? Huh? Who's the prettiest? You are the prettiest, Tullu. I'm not the obsessed level. Who's obsessed? You. Are you guys not self-obsessed with yourself? Huh? Rhythm feels like I'm the last person who will ever be self-obsessed with myself.
Even I'm never obsessed. Are you very shop? Rhythm goes obsessively to shop.
Why does this guy like shopping and we don't like shopping? Because he's the only kid and then his mom
That's
is
why I
late.
said Rhythm just go buy, pick up shoes, let me try, and then let's just go.
Who
play.
likes shopping? Raise your hands.
He's raising for both.
I was thinking,
I can do
I
online
was
shopping.
thinking, till the time you guys are doing it, I'll go and look some lingerie for myself. I was like, oh, too much to get up, go see the prices.
I can do online shopping. US 5 is not
You're
my
supposed to
size.
talk, not
I'm
get
US
awkward.
6 or 6.5.
Your feet are way too long. See?
I'm not 8. I'm US 7. I'm US. Rhythm, I'm US 6.
Now shut the fuck up.
Rhythm, I'm US 6.5.
You are
I'm
8.
US 7.
Okay. This vlog is all about what is Tullu's size.
Foot size.
Told you that this my niche. Play my role, what you hold, little boy, best don't reach. Your shit dirt, you get curved. I just
Smoothies are okay. I like to make banana peanut butter smoothie, but that day I puked and the smoothie was out. So now I don't feel like drinking the smoothie anymore.
I got lucid dreams. I make movie scenes. This not new to me. We gon' kill like Scream. Ego my enemy. My heat got entropy. It's all just chemistry.